Welcome to another episode of Quick Tricks for the MC-101. In this video, I'll go over how to re-pitch a sample on a drum track without affecting its timing. This video was inspired by a question from Carlisle, who asks if pitching samples speeds things up. At the moment, the answer is yes. The timing does change when you change the pitch of samples loaded in drum tracks, but there is a workaround to be able to time stretch these in the MC-101. Note, make sure you have at least firmware version 1.7 loaded on the MC-101. This is the sample we'll be working with. See the following example for the problem, where if I load the guitar melody in pad 1 of a drum track and pitch shift it, the timing also speeds up. Looper tracks have a setting called BPM sync, where it will time stretch the sample to keep it in time. Load the same sample into a looper track. Then press Shift and Track to edit the looper settings. Scroll to BPM sync on. However, the sample will continuously loop in the background. And I'll have no choice in how to chop it up or trigger it. What I can do to time stretch this is to first resample this again into another looper track. Create a new looper track. Set the record length to match the number of measures you need. In my case, I need 4. Then arm record and press play. You can repeat this to capture different tunings. Once you have recorded the clips, you can then export them as WAV files, pressing Shift and Sound to edit the clip. Scroll to export clip. Then repeat for each clip you made. You can then import these samples back into the drum track as time stretched samples. Here's the final track. That's it for this video. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll try my best to make a video to answer it. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to Tea Break Beats for more MC-101 content.